Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of production engineering or manufacturing science. The topic is metal cutting. Question number 32 is in a single pass drilling operation, a through hole of 15 mm diameter is to be drilled in a plate of 50 mm thickness. Drilling spindle speed is 500 rpm. Speed is 0.2 mm revolution per revolution, and the drill point angle is 118 degree. Assuming 2 mm clearance at approach and exit, the total drill time in second is option A 3.51, option B 3.24, option C 3.12, and option D 3.01. So here the total distance traveled by drill is first of all we will calculate this total distance traveled. Okay, and suppose this is your drill and this is your hole, and the length of the hole is your 50 mm, or thickness of the hole is your 50 mm. Okay, so the drill has to travel this distance and plus this approach distance plus this clearance distance, and to make the hole completely, so drill should have to travel this distance also. So the total distance traveled by drill is thickness of plate plus clearance at approach plus clearance at exit plus your distance of point of drill to shank. Okay. So that is 50. This is 52 plus 2 plus that angle is 118 degrees. So that half of this is will be 59, and diameter is your 7.5. Okay. So this will be your 7.5 port 59. Okay. So the total distance travel will be your 58.5 in this hole. Okay. So from for drilling hole, the drill has to travel 58.5 mm. Okay, and speed is given as 2 mm per revolution. So total distance is 58.5 mm, and for 2 revolution it travels a distance of 2 mm. So number of revolution for carrying out hole is distance by feet. So that is 29.25 number of revolution for drilling hole. Okay. So RPM is your 500. Okay, so RPM is given as 500 and speed per revolution is given as 29.25. So the time taken is your 500 by RPM. Sorry, number of revolution by RPM, because this is revolution, then this is revolution per minute, and so the time taken for this hole to be drilled is your number of revolution per for drill hole for drilling hole divided by RPM. So time is your 29.25 divided by 500. Okay, that is in minute. So converting it into second, so that will be 3.51 seconds. Okay. For in 1 minute it is making 500 revolutions, and so uh, so 500 revolutions are made in 1 minute, and one revolution will be made in 1 by 500, and 29.25 revolution will be made in 29.25 multiplied by 1 by 500. So this will be your minute, and then it will be your second. So answer is your 3.51 seconds. So answer to question number 32 is A. Next, through plate of 100 mm diameter are to be drilled in a steel plate of 20 mm thickness. Drill spindle speed is 300 rpm. Speed is 0.2 mm per revolution, and the drill angle is 120 degrees. Assuming drill over travel of 2 mm, the time for producing a hole will be option A 4 seconds, option B 25 seconds, option C 100 seconds, option D 110 seconds. So again this is the same approach that will follow that is followed in last question. So this is again, this angle is your now 120 degree. So now it will be your 60 degree. So this distance will be 5 cot 60, and the feed is given as point 2 mm, and the thickness of the plate is 20 mm, and over travel is given as 2 mm. So no approach is given. Okay, so will not take approach. Rest of all is same. That is thickness of plate plus over travel, and approach, no approach, so will not take approach. And this is your 5 this is the distance of point of drill to shank is 5 port 60. So that will be 24.88 mm. So answer so that is the distance level, and speed is given as 0.2 mm per revolution. So number of revolution to port drill to complete hole, same thing. Okay, that is distance by feed, that is one. So number of revolution will be 124.43, and time will be a number of revolution by rpm. So it will be 0.414 minute or 24.88 seconds. Or answer is option B. Okay.